Hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to use a combination lock. Here's one. This is what they look like. Some of them don't have this. They have them in middle school and high school for your lockers. I'm in a box. Here's one flat. Here's one flat. You know what a box looks like. So here's how to use a combination lock. Like, and that looks like this. First, you turn right 3 times. And then stop at the first number. Second, you turn left one full turn to the second number. And third is turn right and stop at the third number. And then pull the shackle. For this one, this is the shackle. You pull it and it opens. So like, here's an example. Turn 1 time, 2, 3, now go to my first number, go to my pass, go to full circle, go to my left. It gets easier if you keep practicing. So, yeah, that's how you use a combination lock. Bye.